Page 10. This is the first two at the top of the page. I'm going to cover them both here. We have a middle C blues, blues 1 and 2. We're learning something about the bass clef now. We're going to involve the left hand. Because you'll notice at the beginning of these stabs, it's not a treble clef, it's a bass clef. And that note is middle C blues, duh. And it is the same middle C that we've been using in the treble clef. And this is one line above the staff. This is where I say it's between the staff. Middle C is in between. Yeah, in treble clef, it's one line below the staff. In bass clef, it's one line above the staff. So it's in the middle of a grand staff, which is why it's called middle C. We'll talk more about the C's because the C's are symmetrical in the music. They balance out very nicely in how they look. And so we kind of use those as milestones to help us sometimes. But I'm getting off. I get off a lot. Middle C. Which finger you play it? Well, that depends on what the music needs. You can play it with any finger, and you can play it with either hand. Even bass clef, you can still play it with the right hand. But for this book and starting out, we're going to use the left hand here because the left hand hadn't done anything till now. And all it is the first, they're all just C's. You just count it out, and it counts out the same. This is 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So much for that. The second line, again, we're just using middle C, but it's a different rhythm. So you count it out, and you take it at your speed, not mine. But this is on the second line, number 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's that third measure over there. Remember, a measure is the distance between the bar lines, or measure lines, or the third bar, I could say. The rhythm's different. It's a 1, 2, and then you hold the half note down 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a lot going on here. You got one note. You can play it with any finger you want. I don't care. Just play it and count it, and make sure you know now in bass clef what that note is in the music. You don't need to write it in C or anything. You just know that's middle C. So now you know what middle C is in each staff. For each clef, I should say. Yeah. Let me know if you have questions.